to my YouTube channel, Ninith Vlog SK.
Hi guys! Nandito na tayo ngayon sa bago nating location guys. Bago kong amo. Ito na ngayon. Ang ganda ng view dito sa lugar ko. Ito yung function hall nila. Maraming halaman sa likod. Aircon pa. Yan ang gusto. Pine tree na sa likod ko. Ang ganda ng lugar. Tahimik, peaceful po rin. Hindi ka dito matulog at magtambay dito kung wala kang ibang mapupuntahan. May hangout na ako. Ayun na guys, nandito na tayo sa ayan na guys, ang ganda ng view natin dito. Ang ganda ng view. Ayan yung function hall. May mga halaman. At ayan guys, ang bubong. Ayan ang bubong. At medyo makulimlim, maulan. Ay, oo.
Yes? Yes, my love. Yeah, we can sit on the other sofa. Come, sit on the other sofa. We can sit next to each other. Come on, boys. I sit on the side, you guys sit with me. Be careful, be careful. Thank you, sir. Okay, Zilan, are you feeling very cold? Are you sure?
I'm not feeling very cold.
You're not?
Siguro.
After that, nothing feels cold.
After what, nothing feels cold.
Nothing feels cold.
Ay, ang ganda Florame. Ang ganda oh.
Look at the balcony.
So nice the flower. Kunyari lang ako kasi may ibang
We close that door.
Close the door? Yeah, we should close the door, yeah. Let's close that door. That's a good idea. Yeah, we should not have left it.
oh, so nice. This is a rose.
Thank you. Thank you, Rhea. Thank you, sir.
Now we have a teeny bit cold.
Yes,
We have
that is right.
where should we sit?
You can sit on the seat.
Guys, ito yung oh. Oh. Ayan guys, nandito tayo sa function hall. Dito tayo sa bago kong amo. At ito yung hangout. Function hall, pwede ka magtambay dito. Aircon pa guys. At yun ang ceiling. Medyo maulan ang panahon. At makulimlim. Pag araw, pwede siyang hilahin mo yung ano ba yan? Anong tawag dyan? Blind sa gilid. Ayan, ang daming halaman dito guys. Ayun, may halaman, may fine tree na maliit. Fine tree ba yan? Parang drill no, pero hindi yan. May nara ba yan? Hindi ko alam. Ayan guys, ayan yung halaman. Ang ganda. Yan. Ganda dito guys. Dami halaman. Yan. Ouch. Yan ang lamesa guys. Nakatambay tayo dito guys. Yan yung mga halaman. Ang gaganda. Halaman. Malaking gabi. Ito yung upuan, guys. Pwede kang umupo dito. Tambay, guys. Ang ganda, oh. Parang siyang drill, no? Di kaya drill to? Parang drill. Parang lang. Hindi ko alam. O halaman talaga yan. Parang drill eh. Ay, hindi. Parang lang. Parang, no? Ganda ng bulaklak. Yellow. Yellow and red. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng bulaklak. Ang bango-bango. Ang bango-bango ng bulaklak. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan yung entrance. Entrance niya, guys. Ang ganda. Oh, pwede ka dito magtambay at uupo dito. Yes. Para kang anong 3 PM? 3 PM pala eh. Saan ka na ngayon? Ayan, meron pa, guys, oh. Kaso ang dumi eh. Madumi siya. Lahin mo lang yan. Pwede kang matulog, hihiga pa. Doon yung ano mo. Ayan, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng flowers. Ganda ng flowers. Wala. Uy, sabi ko sa'yo, lagay mo lagi sa bag mo. Ganda ng flower. Yun yung function hall, guys. Oh. Yan, halaman. Ang gaganda. Ang ganda siya, no? Ang ganda. Grabe, oh. Uy, ang rose. Oh. Ha? 10,000? Wow, ang ganda. Ara. Ganda pala tong halaman na to. Ang ganda ng bulaklak do.
Shall we chill for some time? Is it on that side? Is it here? Okay.
Wala. Hindi ko alam. Don't move. Lucy. Sit down. Ala, tilapia. Tilapia. Lucy, janitor oh, gala janitor. One, two, three. Wow, ala, janitor eh. 1, 2, so big the janitor oh. Janitor. Come. Lucy. What are you doing, Lucy?
All my team's friends and members.
Thank you.
GPTB. G. Gale. Amazing Charles.
What comes next? I'm just doing
Papa D.
my best, even though I'm so stressed out.
Rene Villasante.
Everything just feels like a test. I
Rec
fail so
Gilly.
depressed when I can't seem to get
Julogs Vlad.
something deep inside won't let me
Lucas
quit.
family.
I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't.
Glory TV Channel 22. Aizen HK. Bibi Barido. Rasmia Vlad. Balutske Vlad. Yum Yum Indusel. Wing France Vlad. Gummy Bear Vlogs.
Amisi ako AU.
Maluz Saludis.
Duck Lex Style.
Inspired by thirst.
Handsome Vlog in Australia.
Desire your worst.
Marine
Tired
Chris
by my
TV.
word. I ain't tired, you first.
Sencha
I write
Official
second,
Vlad.
third verse about the lies you go
Jerk
disperse.
Bull
You know this
Angela.
shit, I know it hurts.
MG Simic Vlog.
Lori Share.
Dak Lifestyle.
I feel so depressed.
Joe and Arlene.
Get out.
Master J. Mark.
Ruby TV Vlog. Leave It with April.
Know what comes next. I'm just
Shirley Tasty Creation.
though I'm so stressed out.
Random TV by Coltribo.
Test
D if Vlog.
stressed when I can't seem to
And see you.